Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn Ya row of katakana, Ya, You and Yo. First one, Ya. Ya. Example word, Yamaha. Yamaha. Yamaha is a very famous brand name. Example sentence, Yamaha no bike wa tottemo niki ga arimasu. Yamaha no bike wa tottemo niki ga arimasu. Meaning, Yamaha bikes are very popular. Next one, You. You. Example word, YouTube. YouTube means YouTube. Example sentence, YouTube で日本語を勉強します。YouTube で日本語を勉強します。Meaning, I study Japanese on YouTube. Next one, Yo. Yo. Example word, Europa. Europa means Europe. Example sentence, 彼女はヨーロッパへ旅行しました。Meaning, she traveled to Europe. 彼女はヨーロッパへ旅行しました。That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the Ra row of Katakana, Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Row. See you in the next lesson. Matane.